Aloha. I just got lei. Flower lei and orchid lei, not that crab lei you thinking. Yeah, I just made this. Did it for the headpiece and did it for the necklace. You want to learn how to do it? Let's check the class together.
Close me with you. When you are my arms, you are mine. Close. All right, so you're gonna take your string. You're gonna fold over a little bit, okay? After you fold it over a little bit, you're gonna hold both strings and you make it one string.
So put the knot at the end.
Yep. Yeah. Oh, this one has a knot already.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't need to worry.
Sweet.
You're all good. Funny. Okay, now, after you fold it over, you're gonna take both strings, make it one, and you just make a knot, like how hers is. And when you make a knot, don't pull so tight. Okay, you see that?
It needs to be like that.
Okay. Have it? Good, that's it. Oh, it came out. Oh, it's all good.
Okay.
I do it my way. I do it my way.
Okay, now, once you get it tied, you're gonna dangle that end, okay? Now the other end, you're gonna fold it over about 5 to 6 inches. Okay, after you tie.
Ever.
So I go one by one now?
No, you don't get the whole point. You do it like this so it get faster, and you pull them all together, one by one on the needle.
Yeah, I do. I think they're on the needle.
There you go.
So
Then wrap the whole thing down to the string.
right now I can do that?
However you feel like.
What do you mean I do it right? Why are you saying I don't do it right? I'm just jealous of my creativity.
I'll teach you how to do it. Wow. Cool. You got the magic needle. Very good.
And now I just push that down?
Now you hold the string with the other hand.
Oh, there.
And then you just pull the string.
Perfect.
And then your flowers will go right down.
Perfect. I see a career here.
Alright. We're always in the wrong business.
However, I don't think there's a market in New York.
They will not.
I'll be the only one. Where are you guys from?
Australia.
Oh my gosh! Wow.
And you guys?
New York area,
Oh.
Manhattan area.
Escaping the cold, hey?
What was that?
Escaping the cold.
Oh yeah. Well, Buffalo has higher than the ceiling of snow.
Crazy.
And crazy.
Yeah.
What part of Australia?
Just in Queensland, just north of Brisbane.
Oh yeah.
Hot and sunny and beach.
Very hot.
Yeah.
Everybody tells me about the critters there,
Yeah.
like huge spiders and. And we love well, we do because we don't know. We love the koalas and the. I've seen some videos.
Yeah.
So you guys just fly straight from Australia to here?
No, we've been traveling for over a month now, so.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah.
2 months we're gonna go. Yeah.
Go to Japan and Vietnam.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. So you just started, or?
Yeah.
Started, yeah.
That's awesome. So we arrived here yesterday, we've got a week, and then we're home. So it's like,
You're gonna be here for a week.
yeah. It'll be good. I still don't worry about it.
Flowers are blooming everywhere. maidens with blossoms in their hair. Flowers that we should be happy. Throwing aside a little care.
You always lose.
I didn't know where to leave it.
Keep going. Lady is happy days are here. Now push your flowers close together.
Okay.
If you don't push your flowers close together, they're going to start sliding down and exposing the string. You don't want to have the string behind your neck. After a while, the weight of the lei will cause the string to dig in the back of your neck and it'll be uncomfortable. We have lots of flowers, so you see like how he's doing? He's pushing his flowers close together. Make sure you do that. In 1929, this song was composed for the first Lei Day celebration here in
so cool.
Hawaii with the royal court.
Really the highlight, you
The
know.
Queen competed for that title. She had to hula, make leis, and speak in a paragraph of Hawaiian language. Back then, we only had 3 hotels: the Royal Hawaiian, the ALOHILANI, and the Moana Surf Rider. So can you imagine what Lei Day was like back then? The visitors came in the Lurleen ships that docked at Aloha Tower, greeted by maidens with leis around their arms, singing this song. Again, Lei Day in Hawaii. Lei Day is Lei Day in Hawaii. Flowers are blooming everywhere. All of the colors of the rainbow. Maidens with blossoms in their hair. Guys too, on the left if you're taking flowers that mean we should be happy. Throwing aside a little care. Lei Day is Lei Day in Hawaii. Lei Day is happy days. Lei Days are wonderful days. Lei Day is happy days out here in Hawaii. Happy Lei Day, everybody. All of your string. You're almost done, actually.
He cheated.
He did.
I saw him with a glue gun. He was gluing them on.
No, he didn't.
You know what? You have to touch, that's why.
He should be disqualified.
You had experience, huh? Getting laid.
Second time.
Yeah. Cute. How are you doing? Good, that's it.
Over the best and everything I do.
You always have to.
Everybody, this is Jamie. Jamie is also from Guest Experience Services. She was the one that got the Christmas tree all set up for that guest that requested it. Anything you need special done, go ahead and see Jamie. She'll take care of you too.
I want a Christmas tree in my room. I want a Christmas tree in my room. Make out a orchid.
How about a little headband? You want a headband?
Last time I did it for my mom, we didn't have enough orchid because there's so many students. Here, in this hotel.
You did this already?
Why are you done? Yeah.
No wonder.
Doing good. Look at
Disqualification. You need to be disqualified. You have pre-existing
That's
knowledge.
it. You're doing good.
Now I know why. He said he did this before at this hotel.
Oh.
So he should be disqualified.
Hey, you were here before.
Yeah.
Was I the teacher?
Huh?
Was I the teacher?
No, someone else.
Oh.
Very for you.
Wow.
Very for you.
That's so cool. No wonder you know what you're doing. Well, if you want to make a head lay too, you can.
Okay.
Yeah, since you're so quick at making it already, I'll get you more string, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll be back.
I'm done.
Disqualification.
Where do these flowers grow?
These are actually from Thailand.
What?
Yeah, no, the reason why is we have about 4,000 to about 6,000 visitors a day in Hawaii. And if we use our flowers,
4 to
we wouldn't have any left. Isn't that crazy? That many
Yeah.
That's a
people.
lot of people.
Yeah. So we help the Thai people out, you know, because they have a lot of farms. They have a lot of unused land. And they help us out. Okay. Yeah. I tied
How do
it
you- how do
in
you-
for you.
how do you-
Okay, now,
how
to
to
tie
tie
that,
Mhm.
put this here for now. Here's your string for your headband, okay?
Okay.
You bring it on top of the table here. Okay? Now, you're going to tie it like you tie your shoelace.
Oh.
So let's push this flowers down just a little. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Just a little bit more.
Yeah, good.
There you go. And you know how you just go around and pull. And you pull it real tight. Yeah. Okay, now, hold this string too, this one here. Hold it with that hand. Yeah. And then you tie it again.
Again.
2 more times, okay? Okay, there. Did you guys see the fish being fed yet?
No, not
Oh,
yet.
it's amazing. 2:30.
2:30.
Yeah, at 2:30 they're gonna feed the fish. Yeah, so try to have your ladies finished by then.
They're gonna fit it right here.
Right here. And they're gonna swim across the tank.
Wow.
So you can stand anywhere and it'll come near you. Oh, let me cut the string, okay? He's done already. Wow.
What?
That's what.
I'll put it in.
Ready? Okay.
Do it.
Put
Oh,
yeah,
you're beautiful
do it.
with your white outfit on.
One,
Yeah.
two,
Yeah.
three, go.
Oh. You guys want to get a picture by the aquarium? With the fish behind you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You want to?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. Let's go.
Bring your camera.
We'll use your camera.
Nhìn con. Nhìn con. Aloha.
Aloha.